is Webster Talent Rukweza. I'm the mechanical engineer here at Ahau Mine, responsible for maintenance and projects planning for both surface and underground operations. I joined this mine in 2019 as a graduate trainee, and then after my learnership I was then absorbed in the system as the mechanical sergeant and subsequently as the junior mechanical engineer. With hard work and perseverance, I was then elevated to the position of mechanical engineer, the position that I am currently holding now. What I like most about this organization is that the team is a very excellent team, and also the environment offers a conducive platform for innovation. I have actively involved in various projects since the day I joined this mine. Some of the projects have been already implemented, and I'm very proud of that. This mine has developed me into a person who I am right now. I proud myself to be a mechanical engineer, and currently the mine is on an expansion drive, and I'm part of the driving force for those projects. Thank you.